Local news for Tuesday, the 25th of February. A power outage yesterday morning closed schools and affected residents and businesses in South Wairarapa. With an errant magpie, the likely cause of the outage that cut power to more than 10,000 people. Contractors believe the magpie touched wires on a pole, which triggered the outage on the 33,000-volt line. The New Zealand property market started the year off strong with 7 provinces, including Wairarapa, kicking off 2020 with record average asking prices. According to the latest Trade Me Property Price Index, Masterton and Carterton saw record asking prices. Masterton up 7.8% to 457,850, and Carterton's up 11.8% to 528,750. Water restrictions across the region have been eased, with sprinklers now being used on alternate days in Masterton, while Carterton and South Wairarapa can use handheld hoses on alternate days. And the Wairarapa women's cricket team have lost to Wellington on Sunday, setting 163. The Wellingtonians won by just 1 wicket. A courageous effort from the Kurus, who were missing several of their key players. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.